This conference will now be recorded.
All right, guys, Sunday, August 27th, I almost said October. Third time's the charm. I'm going to try this again. First time I didn't hear the recording, so I didn't think it was recording. Second time, I didn't turn the mic on. Third time, I see the mic on. I see us recording. I see the screen, so hopefully this is it. Anywho, I went over NQ and ES with the mic off, so I'll go back to that, but wanted to look at VIX here on the daily. Um, we do have a double top, kind of looks like a head and shoulders. We pop up like that maybe. So here's your head, one shoulder, other shoulder building. But the funky thing is the daily also has on this markets kind of a bigger head and shoulders. Um, you can see the head here, one shoulder, two shoulder. So that's kind of weird that both are setting up for a move down, but VIX can't move down and the markets can't move down. It can, but it usually doesn't. Um, so we go back to the VIX here. So VIX, kind of still uptrending. The weekly still going higher as far as momentum goes, but that can break any week here. Um, couldn't really get to 20. I thought we would be able to get to 20, 25 on this push, but um, maybe we still can. But um, daily squeeze did fire long. Back in another squeeze, but you see the momentum shifting back down. Same on the 4 hour. So we made a higher high on the 4 hour, but a lower low on momentum. So maybe that was it. Um, I still think the put call ratio, it's still 0.99. If we close at 0.99 in the 10 days, creeping higher. So we could go higher, maybe, is what it looks like. Um, on ES, I mentioned that the momentum is still going higher. The weekly, we kind of hit the 21 there. We do have an inside weekly on ES. You can see that here. It's a bearish kind of, you see the wick here. Um, so it looks like it could break down, but anything could happen. So we'll see. Healthy would be down to 4,300. Um, and then on NQ, move to 14.3 would be nice, but we'll see. No inside weekly on NQ. But momentum again shifting higher on a daily. The selling here on Thursday was funky. Definitely did not expect that, but we did hit this 786 level from all-time high level and lows from 2022. So we'll see if this doesn't hold here, the lows from Wednesday, we could flush down to this 14.3. Be an interesting week. Curious if we have any data this week. Let's take a look. Consumer confidence and job openings at 10 a.m. CPI, that's all AUD CPI. So Tuesday we have some numbers at 10 a.m. Wednesday, prelim, nothing really. Thursday, core PCE and unemployment at 8:30. And Friday we have GDP, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment, unemployment rate. So some good numbers this week to see, and that's Friday, September 1st. So be careful on Thursday. It is the last day of the month, and it's been a funky August. August is one of the harder months to trade. Okay. Did NQ fill the gap? No, we almost filled overnight gap. Okay, so we went over that. VIX, the dollar should be creeping higher yep, dollar's still going higher. The dollar, I don't think affects the markets anymore like it used to, but um, we're going higher. Bitcoin 26, holding support down here. Mara leaps might be good. Mara's back down to 10. All right, went over that. Yes. Okay, so looks like we should grind still higher. We'll look some of the big boys here. Let me zoom in here on the daily. Nice big momentum shift on Apple, even though even after that red day, momentum still bursting through. So as long as Amazon holds, market should hold. Momentum is down on Amazon. What's Coin been up to? Coin's also already getting some momentum to move higher. Google stronger than the others. Nice daily squeeze forming. This should be able to hit to 140. Bunch of squeezes, 4 hour. Oof, look at that 4 hour squeeze. So there's your levels, above 133 calls and below 127, 126-ish. Gap, earnings gap still open, but you see the box there. Lucid still at 6. Let's done with that stock. Mara Leaps, which I mentioned. We got Mara Leaps back here, and we sold into this pop. This is a really nice pop, but we're back into this level, so this is a good area to go out to June of next year for some leaps. Meta, you also got that Radium momentum shift. Netflix, Chippity Chop. Let's see. What am I missing? Microsoft, yeah. Yeah, Microsoft still been gaining that momentum. We are forming a daily squeeze, which I'm hoping can fire long, but if that fires short, that won't be good. That'll pull everything down with it. And Tesla also momentum shift. So everything, for the most part, we see the same, moving higher, momentum moving higher. Other than Amazon, and that's it. I think that was only one. But all the other big boys have the same kind of look. Now this can go, and it could all get rejected and we break down. But for now, we should grind slowly higher. I don't see another volatile week. We could get one, but it should quiet down this week, I would think, until Thursday, Friday. I went over to put call. So put calls creeping up. We're at 0.96. Um, we're above this level. Back here was pretty extreme at 109, but you can see this is the rally we had, and this is the pullback we had. So this could keep going. You can't time it, but um, as this goes higher, more people are piling in short. When there's no one left to short, the markets will rally. So that's the way that works. All right, well, that's it for tonight. Markets small gap up. We came down, almost filled that gap. NQ's up 35, ES up 7, Russell up 2, and the Dow up 60. So, members, I'll see you guys in the room. Definitely more active this week without training. Training had some work training last week, so didn't really trade much options, mainly quick future scalps. All right, guys, have a good week, and I'll catch you on next week. Peace.